Steel Town on a Saturday night, a bucket of chicken and you. Two lovers in love, we was loving a lot, and the love was so lovably true. I laid down a blanket by the Johnny on the spot. Everything was feeling so right. Your lips said no, but your eyes said do it. So we're making sweet love tonight. We made love by the river. We made love by the river. Yeah. Fucking bitch.
Swap meet closing at 5 p.m. Live swap open all night.
Memories from a failed marriage here? I'm either swapping them or I'm burning them!
I love the smell of burning rubber. It's so sexy. And so are you.
My ex-wife loved that smell too. And then she left me because of them.
Mother of shit! Why don't you cut those nails?
I can't cut them, I got a phobia. The ex-wife said they cut her legs up in bed, so she cut out my heart. You superficial cow!
Attention patrons of the swap meet! Digits for demos, right here! I give you my tape, you give me your phone number. It's win-win. Hey, chubs of fun!
What did you just call me?
This could be you.
Pig!
She obviously can't hear me. Doug, go swap this tape for a microphone.
But it's got mustard stains on it.
It's a limited edition, huh?
But it's a limited edition.
I ain't trading no microphone for a mustard-stained cassette tape. Why don't you go try that booth, buddy?
Super special happy surprise bag!
There wouldn't be any microphones in there, would there?
You'll never know with super special happy surprise bag.
Let's swap. Please be a microphone. Please be a microphone. Sewing kit. Hey man, I'm gonna need that demo back.
All swaps final.
One spring roll.
All spring roll final.
Oh, the secrets of Asian cuisine.
Unsupervised steaming meat cone. It's like people are having sex in my mouth. Salty, chewy sex.
My fist makes sex with your face. Jacko's meat cone is not free.
Here, keep the change.
Prepare for orgy of fists and boot.
Oh yeah?
Ow! Still hungry? Eat shit. I take this as payment.
Ricky!
I hurt.
I never thought I'd say this, but hold still while I sew up your hole.
Shut up, Doug! What happened?
Meat cone. Jacko. Orgy.
Maybe I should be sewing up a different hole.
Jacko beat you up? Nobody bloodies you but me! Jacko! Face me, Jacko! Whoa! Hey! Why would you hit me with a boot? I was in the middle of a beach fantasy with this foxy morsel here.
That foxy morsel is my daughter.
Your daughter?
Hey, Jacko! I want my guitar back ASAP! She doesn't like you!
She belongs to Jacko now. Maybe I make sex with her.
It's a guitar, not a sheep, huh? Burn!
You catch boots good.
Thanks. I'm Suncheeps.
I'm Saul. Your apron sure is bloody.
I have been slaughtering lambs all day.
I'm a butcher. Maybe we could get bloody together sometime.
My father would never allow us to date.
I'm not talking about a date. Maybe we can just get some food, see a movie, make out in an abandoned factory.
Okay. You can meet me at the mini-putt course, if you like.
I would like.
If you want guitar back, we must fight!
Fine, but it's gonna be under my terms. 3 o'clock under the lift bridge.
Then we separate the men from the boys.
I hear in Greece they separate the men from the boys with a crowbar.
I shuddered in ecstasy as his throbbing manhood pulsated in my lusty clutch.
That was wicked gay.
Hey, thanks! It is wicked. I hope Suncheeps likes it.
Yeah, well, if she don't, you can wear it to her dad's funeral after I pound him into the grave.
How are you gonna pound Jacko? You can't even take a punch.
Let's see you take a punch. Ah! Ooh, 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 funny bone, oh!
Is this really the best way to learn how to take a punch?
Shut up, Doug, I got it covered. Just put the protective nut cup in, and let's get started.
Is anyone in there?
Easy, Doug. Content's under pressure.
Ladies, this man wants to violate you!
I'm here to violate you.
What are you gonna do, Nancy?
Stop kicking my unprotected ball!
You briefly thwarted 3 old women while wearing protective gear. You have great potential.
My penis is numb.
I bet it is. You're at the base of Ass Kick Mountain. Now climb or be climbed.
Yeah. What, now?
I'm wicked tough. Sewing's cool. I've got the pipes to fight a creek. I got the thread to stop a leak. Come fight me, come fight me.
You've reached the summit. Now spread your ass-kicking wings and fly!
Yes, Sensei! What, now?
Psst, Suncheeps.
Saul?
I want to take you away from here. We'll go to Paris. We'll go to the French district and watch the night stars.
My father won't let me go anywhere until I'm married.
Fine, but your husband better be real open-minded.
We can still make out.
We can? Oh, God. Oh! For the last time, get your boobs off my hands!
Dirty Canadian teen. I cut off her head before I give her to you!
And I would put that beautiful head on a pedestal, mister! Oh!
You've mastered the art of pain, Ricky. Now it's time to master the art of pleasure.
Mine. Mine.
Hey.
Mine. Doug's.
What's the problem, sweetie?
Just wondering how I'm going to convince my girlfriend's dad that I'm what Greek tradition had in mind for his daughter when Greek tradition was invented.
If I may, Saul.
May away.
You must become a fine mist, penetrating the cracks around the locked door of their customs.
See, that's the problem. There's no crack penetrating until we're married.
You must be like a Trojan horse, infiltrating the Greek mindset.
Penetrate? Like a Trojan.
What in the name of Zeus' shield? Aphrodite? Made of feta cheese? What the?
I am not a delicious feta cheese goddess. I am merely a man who's willing to encase himself in a suffocating layer of Greek tradition for your daughter.
My daughter will never marry non-Greek, especially one with toenails like that. I can smell them from here.
That's the feta, you son of a bitch! I tried, baby. We're the same.
My father won't let me go anywhere until I am married.
Okay, gentlemen, I want a good, clean fight. No scratchy, no bitey, and no condescending tone of voice.
I must break you.
Oh yeah? When I get my guitar back, I'm gonna write your eulogy song. It's gonna be called Jacko, Portrait of a Kicked Ass. Let's get it on. I'm flying!
Suncheeps! Our toenails have built a wall around us, from which there is but one escape. Marry me.
She will never marry you!
I will marry you!
What? Suncheeps?
Excuse us, Greek Dad.
I cannot believe.
Where's Jacko? I'm the toughest guy in Steel Town! Jacko! The portrait of a kicked ass!
This is the next natural step in the evolution of a warrior. A sacred art that will test your mind, body, and soul. I bid you welcome into the deadly world of pro wrestling.
But I'm wearing my good jeans.
Fame and fortune will be yours, and mine. 10% manager's fee.
10%? Try 100%! Fired! You! Dork nuts.
And we're off. Two opponents get Oh! And things already not going well for Ricky Butcher.
I'll sew you up, dog. I ain't done.
Here's Gobnobbler's trademark finishing move. And a surprise move by rookie Ricky Butcher. I don't know what it was, but it's worked. Here's the count. 1, 2, 3. And Ricky Butcher has won it.
I did! F you all! Bitch, are you for real?
Till death do you part, so help you God.
We do.
Drive through the second window, please.
Can we go to Paris now?
What? Paris? Where'd you get that idea from? Oh, I got something better in mind, sweetums. Niagara Falls!
My God, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, a whole bunch of people died going over them falls. You know something, Suncheeps? I was a dead guy at the bottom of Brokeheart Falls until you resuscitated me with CPR, caring, prettiness, and romance. God, I love you. Oh, God! Liquid snore? Seriously? One, two, four, three, five. Seriously?
The challenger, weighing in at 259 pounds, undefeated from Steeltown, Ontario, the Perfect Storm! The Perfect Storm will wash you away! And the champion, weighing in at 265 pounds, the Zen Master, Ram Punchington!
Damn, Ricky Guan need a lot of help on this one. Shit!
Okay, Sausalito, it's just a liquid snore. You love this woman, you can't bail on her now. It might be fixable. It's like a gagged sloth drowning in a sea of creamed corn!
Oh, what's that, lover?
Nothing, just screaming to myself about breakfast.
And you know what the goat's name was? Stavros!
Can we go somewhere louder so we can talk?
It was so crazy. A goat named after my uncle? We all laughed. So?
I can hear your dad down in your mouth hole.
No, he's right behind you.
Suncheeps, please, stop this game. Come home now with me and leave this mustachioed vagrant to dirty some other immigrant's daughter.
Now hold your horses, Greek Dad! I've had just about enough of your heavily accented harassment! Suncheeps has made her choice, and I guess I have too. Now if you'll excuse us, we're going down to the falls to throw litter over the edge because it's fun. Come on, Suncheeps!
Okay, that's it. Rick, I got to tell you something.
I know, you had sex with a bag of buttered popcorn.
No, not that. I helped you beat the gobnobbler by tying him up in thread. But I own a thread now. Ram's gonna kill you.
Doug! I don't need help from your stupid thread or your stupid you. Ram was my teacher. He taught me everything I know, which means I know everything he taught. Simple math.
Simple math?
Math. Whatever. Just shut up and watch me smash ass.
Oh, my father is such a brute. He doesn't understand that our marriage is stronger than any Greek tradition.
You know what else keeps a marriage strong? Separate soundproofed bedrooms.
What's that, love? I can barely hear you over the falls. The sound is so relaxing. I could fall asleep.
She's got a fucking liquid snore, man! Do I throw this all away?
That man's about to throw it all away!
Soul Butcher! You dirty my Greek daughter! You spit in face of my Greek tradition! You ruin my Greek life!
Greek Dad!
One punch, and this is all over. Welcome to the storm.
There's a high-pressure system of suffering heading for a low-pressure system of pain. When they collide, the skies rain blood.
That is a wicked good catchphrase. Can I use that?
Firing me was a big mistake, Ricky.
Now that's simple physics.
It's physics! Fuck you, Morsky.
Papa, no!
Don't worry, I will save him.
He's kinda far away, friend.
Get out of the way, buds! Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun-dun-dun,
Aphrodite?
No, Just a son who can't bear to see a second father die. Okay, now, okay.
Man, wrestling sucks. It's totally fixed anyways.
Yeah. And forget assistant from the sidelines. Next time, I'ma help you fight your battles side by side.
Pardon me, brother. I got a bone to pick with you, butcher. And a few to break.
Side by side time, Borsky.
You betcha, Ricky.
Tag team, you're in! Thanks, Doug.
You saved my life. I am in your debt. I would be proud to call you my non-Greek son.
See, that's the thing. I couldn't let you go killing yourself over me marrying Suncheeps when, I'm divorcing her.
What?
My beautiful Suncheeps. This is killing me to death, but you got a liquid snore.
But our love.
I will always love you. But it ain't like the toenails. There ain't no fixing a liquid snore, babe. I gotta get up. Steeltown's a bit of a jog. I best be heading. Goodbye, Suncheeps.
But our love.
The first time I loved, I was broken. Crazy woman had a beef with my feet. Second time I loved, I was beaten by the putter of an angry Greek. I don't know where things went wrong. I don't know if they ever went right. It seems I've been sitting at the bottom of love's porta potty all of my life. Getting cracked up. Cracked on my love, but now I wanna try to put love's wind in my sails. But I can't, 'cause you got a crazy loud liquid snore. I'm alone with my toenails. Nails. I'm alone with my crazy toenails.
Niagara Falls!